Patriotic Writers Forum PAWF, Manipur Tripura branch Marup Pauche and Lamyanba Sangstha jointly organized Lanban Tarpan Haisoi Tamba ritual at Ikon Pukri in Iputhau Pakhangba Shrine located at Tripura's AA Road today. On the occasion, people offered prayer to bring an end to the ongoing Manipur crisis. President of PAWF, Nauroibam Khambaluang, former President Dr. Yaishkul Khwairakpam, Founder Secretary O.C. Maira, Advisor of Tripura Branch Ningombam Pranay, Joint Editor of Marup Pauche R.K. Tarunjit, Secretary of Lamyanba Sangstha, Dr. Ketrimayum Madhavi along with other persons attended the event. Speaking on the sidelines, Joint Editor of Marup Pauche R.K. Tarunjit expressed happiness to be part of the Tarpan Haisoi Tamba ritual at Sacred Pond in Iputhau Pakhangba Shrine. On the other hand, Founder Secretary of PAWF O.C. Maira remembered departed souls and maintained that Manipur has faced many wars in the past and the land still continued to face war. However, amidst the war, it was great privilege for him to organize such traditional rituals in Tripura, as such celebration of culture and tradition can bring together mighty diaspora across the globe.
Layoi kraba ipa ipu thau ima ipen thau laipu thau mapal lainura taret khaubu nai pau chatpa makoi punamakki maphamda aikoina Lanban ni haisoi thaba Lanban ni haisoi katpa hailei khara ipu thau pakhang bagi sanglen sida leiriba ikon sida Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, Patriotic Writers Forum Tripura ani khusam naraga layoi kraba ipai pusi maphamda haisoi thaba amadi katjaba adugi thauram se ngasi mafam simakdai koi luknoi umnamakna pangthokche
Tripura da ikoi gi aibi sing leibiramba aduna Tripura da imalon gi chepong ama sahi yankhai chumna phongma ngamni bose aibi sing adu leiramdraga di chepong phongba yade aikoi mitei ni na hing leiriba chokthok seriba se aibi sing aduna thamamba khudung dudaida mirol sene illaga chachabane irei pak iramdam ngang anaba kannanaba honaba da thawaina pontha pi khaba singi mafam dasu tongan lup kayana Lanban Haisoi Tamba ge thoram pangthoi layoi khaba aibi singi mafamda Lanban ge soi tam pham thoi haibase aibi singi lup singi maraktagi Patriotic Writers Forum na yamna lumna longjaba forum amani aikoi soijaina khaba iraisa singbu punsin bai biside Patriotic Writers Forum gi thawai mirel oibanina aikoi Patriotic Writers Forum na Manipur manung khakta da leibagi mahutta mafam singda matam gi ngamjaba tanja da chatpani